And this is the People versus Michael Dubiner. Ticket number P1237161, count one, render assistance to drag race in any manner. Spectator, good morning. Please say your names to the record, starting with Attorney Zaranek.
Bob Zaranek for Mr. Dubiner. Please state your name, sir.
Michael Dubiner.
Judge, today's the day and time set for a trial in this matter. There was an officer present earlier today. I believe that she is signed off and has not come back on. We'd move for a dismissal.
Prejudice. Good luck to you, Mr. Dubiner. You're all set.
Thank you.
This is the People versus Walter Davis. Ticket
Yes.
number SP1276141. Count one, drive on license suspended. Ticket number SP1168474. Count one, failed to tarp load. Count two, failed to secure load to body or frame. And count three, failed to display a valid operator's license. Good morning. Please say your name to the record, starting with Mr. Zaranek.
Bob Zaranek for Mr. Davis, Your Honor. Mr. Davis, please state your name.
Walter Davis.
Judge, there is a plea offer. 741 would be dismissed, along with the 411 matter to be dismissed. 742 would be reduced to a failure to display, and Mr. Davis will plea on the 743 matter. He's ready to enter that plea right now, Judge.
All right, Mr. Davis, can you raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Zaranek today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes. Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes. Yes, I do.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes. Yes, I do. Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of May 7th, 2020. I'm sorry, February 25th, 2021, at approximately 3:06 p.m. on that date and time were you at or near the location of East McNichols and Bloom Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You driving a 2002 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And did you fail to secure a load to the body or frame?
Yes, yes, it was. Yes.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license? No.
Yes.
All right. You're satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied with the factual basis, and we'll proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of, oh, and you stipulate the probable cause that's the remaining count to be dismissed, Mr. Zaranek?
Yes, Your Honor.
So there's going to be a fine of $200 for the fail to display a valid operator's license, which is due on July 28th. Can you have it paid by then, July 28th?
July the 28th. Yes.
You said yes or no?
Yes. Yes, I did. Yes.
Okay, and then I will waive the fine for the other count that you made admissions to. That fine will be waived.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you have any questions?
No, no, I don't. I'm satisfied with the judgment and the verdict and everything, and I wish to move on.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
I appreciate that, Mr. David.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Okay.
All right.
This is Curtis Roper, ticket number SP762832, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Zaranek.
Bob Zaranek for Mr. Roper. Please state your name, sir.
Curtis Roper Sr.
Judge, this matter up today, there's a recommendation of dismissal. We're asking the court to adopt that recommendation.
What are you doing?
That's not me.
That's Miss Richards.
You stipulate probable cause, Mr. Zeranek?
Yes, Your Honor.
So this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set. Mr. Roper, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. This is the people versus Ebenezer Richard.
Yes.
Ticket number SP 11658888. Count one, one license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Zeranek.
Bob Zeranek for Miss Richard. Please state your name, ma'am.
Yes, my name is Ebenia Richard.
You have to be still, ma'am, so you need to find a spot and stay there because you're doing a lot of moving around. It's a bit distracting. Okay. Mr. Zeranek, you may proceed.
Mr. Roper, you can sign off, sir. Judge, Miss Richard tells me that she's in the street court program and her next meeting is July 5th. I think today was just a review date to make sure she's on track. She says things are going well in the program. She's trying to get her license back and housing and things like that. And she meets twice a week and she's been following up where she's supposed to follow up.
All right, and so, when do we know when she'll complete the program?
Huh?
Do you know when you'll complete the street court program?
I do not know when I would complete this program. I just enrolled in it from court. Mr. McKellen, my caseworker, Mr. Hill, those are my caseworkers. I'm supposed to meet with him today, but I couldn't because I had a housing meeting today. I stay in a homeless shelter. And I had a housing meeting today so I could find me somewhere to go. So I was not able to meet with him today.
And it looks like there was also, I think I'm missing, there was also count two, which was no insurance misdemeanor. So what do you want me to do, Mr. Zeranek? You want me to put this over for?
We just have another review in a month, Judge, and see if she's still on track to get her license and everything's going okay.
All right, so I'll adjourn it for another month, July 28th.
Just keep following the program and you got to be back in court to give a progress report on July 28th.
July what?
28th,
July 28th. Okay.
right?
All righty. Out. So the meeting is 3-3, the same one, right? 360334, July 28th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All righty.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Let's see who else is waiting. There should be it looks like there's a Scott Rutledge in the waiting room or in a breakout room. And Alexis Detroit.
Are you ready for them?
I don't have an offer on him.
Oh, okay.
And Anthony.
Okay. Oh, you want me to bring?
Okay, for Anthony Dupree.
I did talk.
No, he's talked to Anthony Dupree. He wanted me to bring him out before, but he hadn't up the meeting. So do you want me to bring him out now?
I'm ready for him if you guys are.
Okay.
And if we can get an offer on Rutledge and Detroit, I think we're good.
Okay, I see. This is Jennifer. Do you have, Rutledge? All right, this is the people versus, is it Anthony or Antonio Dupree?
Antonio Dupree.
People versus Antonio Dupree, ticket number P1250831. Count one, no proof of insurance. Count two, fail to stop for stop sign. Count three, no receipt of unsigned registration. And ticket number P1250835. Count one, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Zeranek.
Bob Zeranek for Mr. Dupree. Please state your name, sir.
Antonio Dupree.
Judge, we do have a resolution that the 351 matter would be dismissed. the 8313 matter would be dismissed, and he would plead on the 8311 and 12 matter. He's ready to enter that plea, Judge.
All right, with that, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket, Mr. Zaranek?
Yes, Your Honor, and to probable cause.
Okay, so, court will dismiss the remaining counts. The prejudice will proceed to sentencing. Give me one moment. So there will be a fine of $195, and then the other fine is $130. So it's gonna be a total of $325. And it's gonna be due on July 14th. Can you have that paid by then?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions?
Where do I pay that 36th district?
You can pay it online, you can pay it in person. There's kiosks around the city, like in CVS or in Myers, called DivDac, or there's a phone number that you can call. Whenever you're
Okay.
ready, I can give you that phone number.
Okay, then one more question. Can y'all send me something out where I can pay it? Like the ticket? Can y'all send me something out where I can pay it? Like the ticket?
We don't send anything out. You want the phone number?
Yeah.
Okay, it's 855
Hold on,
798.
Hold on. 855
798
798.
1547.
Huh?
1547.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you can call that number. They'll have the total amount. So you can either do it online, so they'll have the amount. So you're not gonna get anything stating how much you owe. Like when you look it up, it'll tell you.
Okay.
Did you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
So you're all set, sir.
All right, thank you.
Good luck. Are you ready on Scott Rutledge, Mr. Or you say you need an offer for that?
I need Rutledge and Detroit. I think those are the only two left that are breakout rooms.
Access.
Yeah, right. That's the norm, right? Something like
It's
that.
11:50, it's 11:50.
Yeah.
Okay, how about limited access for Rutledge, 5 over?
Okay,
And what's the other one?
Detroit, Alexis, Detroit, Dutoit.
Hold on one second.
Do you what?
Dutoit. I think we can probably do that one anyway, Judge. We'll just set up for a bench shot because it's a drag racing.
Where is what's the case number on Detroit? I don't see it. What?
SP 124.
Hold on one second. SP
124 67 171.
You only have one case.
Yes. I'll be right back. I'll go talk to Rutledge.